This album works in several simple ways to help you attract fortune and become luckier in all areas of your life. It works by principles of the law of attraction, except that it specifically focuses your mind and thoughts upon becoming lucky. It will bring you good luck in everyday life. You will notice more new and exciting opportunities. You will find yourself in that right place at the right time more and more. This is important as when you start thinking how lucky you have been, you will attract good luck and fortune to you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to listen subliminal music. This subliminal music contains subliminal messages. A subliminal message is any piece of information which is sent beyond the limit of human perception. However, the subliminal messages still get processed by your subconscious mind. In this way, positive changes can be made without your pre existing self beliefs getting in the way and without holding you back. Listen to our album while relaxing or even play them in the background while doing your daily tasks, and the messages will begin to enter your mind by creating this focus of information being received. You can make lasting positive changes in your mind and to your life, changes which will give you a mental edge towards pursuing your goals. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Santosh Parab and clicking on notification bell for more subliminal hypnosis and motivational videos. So let's begin.